Good morning, everyone. Hello, how exciting is this? I'm vlogging. I haven't done that in a very long time. What's it been, like 4-5 months? I don't know, but I'm vlogging today, so we're going to get ready because I'm kind of in a rush and I decided to vlog last minute. I decided this like 10 minutes ago, so let's get ready. We have just so much catching up to do, which hopefully we will do, but not right now. So today what I'm going to do is I'm just going out to shoot with some of my friends in the city. I think you know one of the two. Kelsey has been in my vlogs before. She's like a fellow designer here in New York, and also one of my friends, Mariah. We're just like getting dressed up all cute, all matching white outfits, and we're gonna go take some content. In the time being that I've not been vlogging, if you don't follow me on my other social platforms that I'm regularly posting on, like Instagram and TikTok, you may know that I've started my own clothing brand, which is why I have not been posting on YouTube. That takes up a lot of time. I don't know if a lot of people know this because I don't think I've talked about it. It is completely me. I have no investors, no partners. I'm doing this by myself, so that's why it's so time consuming and just like a lot, so I could not be doing YouTube at the same time. I would have died. I've already done skincare. I wanted to show you. This is the moisturizer I've been using. Oh my gosh, so YouTube of me. I miss being a YouTuber. This is so funny. This is the Avene Revitalizing Nourishing Cream, and I love this. You can get this at Ulta. But yeah, so I've already done skincare, and I wear their SPF. I'm gonna put my little makeup headband on to keep my fresh blowout out of my face, and put my makeup on. Okay, this is my new, oh my god, I forgot. I was like showing you guys my apartment. It's still not even done, by the way, but okay, here's my step ones. I usually don't use any face makeup, but maybe I shouldn't. I've been really liking this, the Rose Ink from Rosie Huntington Whiteley, their Skin Luminous Tinted Moisturizer. I mean, no, it's a tinted serum. I've actually been using this quite a lot, but I don't think like I need it today. Because I've been like, I had fake tanner on before, but like I don't have any on now. So, okay, just kidding. I'm gonna skip this step, but I just do want to update you guys. I love this, and I've been using this like every day. Then I'm gonna use my Lancome Tiny Gel Ultra Wear Concealer. You guys know I love Lancome. I am proudly a Lancome partner. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is not a sponsored vlog. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. And I have like 2 spots on my chin, and I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingers. Yeah, so how have you guys been? Like I said, I started a clothing brand, which is really exciting. Obviously really exciting. I'll put some I'll pop some pictures on the screen so you guys can see. I'm shooting 2 of the pieces today. I'm gonna do 2 looks. I think I'm styling the Grace jacket and my spring top. It's a little bit chilly today, so I'm a little bit nervous about like obviously styling them because they're kind of spring summer. It's our spring summer collection. And I don't want to be cold, but oh well. My camera's already dying. I just started. For my eyebrows, I use the Rose Ink. This is their brow gel. This is the clear one. I like their tinted one too, but I'm using the clear today, and I'm just gonna blend it in. It is broken with my, this is Sisley, correct? Yes, the Sisley Easy and Rich brow pencil. I put a little bit of powder bronzer on, the Jouer one. I'm kind of, like I said, in a rush, so I'm doing this quickly. I've somehow lost my face brush in the span, so sorry. I've somehow lost my face brush in the span of like 5 seconds, so I'm gonna use this Hourglass like kabuki brush, and I'm using the Chanel sticks for blush and highlight. My favorite, the blush number 20. I've used this every day for like Lord knows how long now. You guys have seen this in like every makeup tutorial ever. Over the nose, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with this. But yeah, so I'm really excited to shoot today. We're just kind of gonna be waddling around the Upper East Side in our cute little outfits and shooting random stuff. We have some inspiration we've pulled, and we're gonna shoot on the street, and I think we're gonna go into Central Park and like maybe do some more like springy photos. I don't know if we'll go up to the Conservatory Gardens or not, but that's one of my personal favorite places to go. But I don't think I've ever taken photos there before, but everything is just now starting to bloom, so I'm excited. And the highlighter balm on the cheekbones and on the nose and the forehead. Next, we're going to curl the lashes and use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original, and this is the black brown. I don't know if you guys, okay, I have like, the viewfinder is just not big enough. I don't know if you guys remember, I was always preaching about brown mascara. I'm still on that for us brown-eyed girls. Loving this. This is terrifying. Oh my god, I literally am just eyeballing that. Literally. Okay, and we're almost done. There's the mascara on. Now for lip, I'm gonna use the same stick I used for my blush, which I'm actually gonna put a little more on. And then I'm gonna top with a clear gloss, and it's just a Lancome Juicy Tube. Let me show you my outfit number 1. I haven't accessorized yet. Oh, I need to bring this down. Okay, so here's look number 1. I'm wearing my Grace jacket open. This is like a linen blazer with these like flowy little sleeves. Cute. It's got like a collar and the tie, and like I like to tie it and wear it like a top, but I actually think that I want to wear it open like this today. I think I'm gonna change into ballet flats and keep these in my tote and walk in the flats, and then just change these for the photos, just because I haven't exactly like broken these in enough that they might give me a blister. So this is a terrible angle, but, and then I'm thinking, let's see if this looks cute, my by far belt to like match with the black on the shoes. Okay, I literally have to leave in 5 minutes. For my everyday accessories, we're gonna put on my Tiffany Smile earrings, which are my favorite. You guys remember I did a collab with Tiffany's for Christmas like 2 Christmases ago, not this Christmas, but the one before, and I wear these earrings literally every single day. This one's not every day, like I said, I just added this, but this is my little Missouri band, which I also, sponsorship, you guys know I only work with sponsors I love, really recently I think, and then my Chanel Coco Crush, and then my Tiffany, also from the video, and my cardigan my parents gave me for Christmas. Let's see which Jo Malone we should use for today. I'm thinking right in the front, I have this Poppy and Barley. It's really good for spring, and I love it. So I think I'm gonna use this one. This English pear is also really good for spring though, because it's like more fruity, but I might use this one. Look how beautiful. I'm walking to Kenzie's house right now, and all the tulips are out on Park Avenue. This is so pretty. I'm listening to the Clash right now, and it's really contrasting the vibes of this moment. This is the all white. Oh. This is oh, Kenzie's got a vlog too.
Strap it up. Hold on.
Okay. We're just not ready. I apologize. Here's the full look, by the way. You guys didn't get to see it in my apartment with the shoes really, because I was struggling. Okay, part 2 of all the outfits. These are all our white looks. The slow, uncomfortable zoom in. We look so good. Look at all this matching. Okay, we're gonna go take some content. I will bring you along. Okay, we're here. We're setting up the tripod. Influencer girls in the wild. We are at this stunning just building on the street.
I'll say 3, 2, 1. Okay. And 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we've changed.
Yeah.
This is the second look, wearing the spring top. We're heading out to Ralph's to go get a little bit of food and coffee and to shoot. You see, it'll focus, hello? This is the second look. I've got the spring top on, and we've got these like vintage pants with my little shoes and my tote. Okay, the girls were at Ralph's. We've got some chicken salad sandwiches, some coffees, and a ham and cheese. And us. Mariah, get in the video. Look how cute. This is my favorite room in Ralph Lauren. We're trying to be quiet in here. It's like the private dressing room for when you make like a consultation. It's literally so beautiful. You guys know like Ralph's is my favorite building and my favorite store, my favorite cafe in all of New York. This is, where's the opening? A little bit up to Park Avenue over there. So beautiful. It's so, we're all taking photos in here before, we just got coffee, but before we head over to the park. We're walking. Mariah had the idea to film this. We're where the Met Gala is. The Met Gala's on Monday. Is it Monday or tomorrow?
First Monday in May.
Monday. Okay. And so this is like the tent where they're setting up for people to go in. How cute. Okay, what's the plan?
The plan is next year, I'll be invited by Anna Winter as a designer. You're gonna be my model.
I'm gonna be the model.
And go to the Met Gala together.
Yes.
For sure.
We're gonna wear Kenzie K and Simone.
Yes, at the same time, we're just gonna like go together.
Half and half. Yes. Mariah will be the assistant. Yeah, you'll fix, you'll pin everything. Yes. You'll get the stray hairs out for the photos. Yes. You know?
You know what? I'll text Emma actually.
Okay, we're like really setting this up.
Yes.
Like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna text my Dior girl and we're gonna put this together next year. Also, I love these trees outside the Met. Look how cute.
Look at
Okay, she's showing me a castle. Oh, that's beautiful.
Taylor Swift's Blank Space.
We need to
music
go.
video.
It's in Long Island?
Yes, it's an hour and a half away.
What was the castle called?
Look how pretty, you guys. So we're now at one of my favorite places, which is the Conservatory Gardens in Central Park. It's so pretty and like just very serene here. It's very quiet, as you could tell, compared to like the rest of like Central Park. I don't know what these tents are though. They've got tents set up for something. Or it might be like an event, I don't know. Okay, now we're having a little park picnic moment. How cute. We're just gonna relax here for a while.
Wait, my shadow.
Is this cute?
You kind of look dead, but in a cute way.
I'm comfortable. I could take a nap.
There.
I want to take a nap.
Your skin looks really good though.
Oh, thank
Kinda
you.
like-
Really?
It's gonna be a
So
skincare.
pale.
You guys?
You look so like a golden goddess.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Maybe it's because I'm wearing a stark white shirt.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Now we're at a little cafe. We're gonna grab more coffee. Kenzie's ordering. Look how cute she looks in her little Kenzie K Atelier sweatshirt. Yes, I think this is it.
Yeah.
How pretty. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. Look how pretty. I love spring. Stop. I can't get enough. New York City is too beautiful. Okay, hi guys. So I'm back home now. Basically what's happened is I just walked home and I stopped at the grocery store to get a few things because one of my other best friends, Rachel, is coming over for dinner tonight and I'm cooking for her. So I'm going to get cooking, which I accidentally took a nap and she's gonna be here in 30 minutes and I have not started yet. I'm doing an herb roasted chicken. I was gonna do a rack of lamb, but then they didn't have any at the grocery store. So I was like, I already have chicken, we're doing chicken. And then I was gonna do like this cheesy potato bake thing, which I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. And then I was also going to do a wedge Caesar salad, switch that. Basically, I'll put the picture here. It was what I was doing I did this for Easter and I was gonna recreate it for her because she wanted to try it, but I just didn't have everything. So I just set up the table really cute and I'm like tidying up before she gets here. So I'll still be cooking when she comes over, but let me show you like what I set up. Obviously really simplistic because we're gonna have 3 courses of the meal here. She's also bringing a lemon meringue for dessert and wine. So this is basically, I set this cute little thing up and then we'll have like our plates here and then all the dishes in the middle. But here's a little moment into my kitchen. I got like balsamic glaze because I only had balsamic vinegar. I didn't have any glaze, so I needed to get that. And then I got some herbs and I also ran out of pepper, so I had to stop and get all of that. Okay, so sorry about the noise. I have friends on in the background. This is what we have going on. I have my chicken and I'm about to put the herbs on it. Basically, I put chicken in this pan, I put onions, and I'm doing mushrooms this time because I decided to do a tomato side, and usually I put cherry tomatoes in here when I roast it, but I do like tons of butter, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, and then I season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, lots of garlic powder. Did I say salt and pepper already? And then I also put thyme because I didn't have any fresh thyme. Usually I put all the fresh one on top. But I'm gonna put those and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. And then I have a block of Gruyere cheese and I'm gonna do like a cheesy potato thing. So I bought a whole bunch of heavy cream and we're gonna bake that as well. And then I bought my balsamic glaze and I have my tomatoes and then I might put more like onions, olive oil, salt and pepper. So yeah, okay, the lighting's good. This is Rachel, everyone. Wait, I still have all my like makeup. We're trying on all my makeup. Okay, this is the food. She's gonna put the balsamic on.
Yeah.
Yum. Ooh, look at her go. Also, look at this little moment we're having. We've lit some candles and we're doing facial. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Basically last night, I think the last thing you saw was me and Rachel doing some facial. But yeah, so we ended up having our night pretty late last night, so I didn't get to film an outro. I just got back from church and I changed into pajamas and I'm about to make myself like a little brunchy lunchy moment. And then relax a little bit before my second church. I do go to 2 churches on Sundays. Sometimes I just do one, but today I'm doing both. So yeah, I'm going to make some coffee and I just wanted to film my little outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in my life vlog, and I definitely want to be filming like more of these now that things are getting a little bit more regulated and I think I can pull off doing this. I'm not going to promise weekly vlogs, but that would be really, really nice, and that's kind of the goal right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will most likely see you in the next one. If you want to keep up with my everyday life and whatever I don't vlog, make sure to follow me on Instagram, the brand on Instagram, and my TikTok, and the brand's TikTok, actually. But all that will be linked in the description, and yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.